There are moments in life that feel like destiny, yet their roots run far deeper than any earthly understanding. You, dear soul, were not a coincidence in his journey. Your arrival was an answer, a sacred echo to a prayer whispered across lifetimes, a silent yearning from his very core. He may have believed his heart led him to you, a choice made in the quiet chambers of his being, but the truth, a secret held by the cosmos, is far more profound. You were chosen. Not by him, not by chance, but by the intricate loving design of the divine itself. A whisper from the angels reveals, before the stars aligned for your meeting, your names were etched together in the celestial archives. Your purpose, a tapestry of healing and profound connection, was ordained. You carry a light he desperately needed, a balm for wounds he barely recognized. Your presence, a gentle current, began to shift the very landscape of his inner world, awakening dormant truths. You are a key, a sacred instrument in his unfolding, and in yours. This connection, this magnetic pull, is not merely human attraction, it is the universe fulfilling a promise. You are the embodiment of a divine intervention, a living testament to a love predestined. The angels affirm, you were sent. Not to complete him, but to illuminate the completeness already within, waiting to be seen through the mirror of your shared light. This is a love born of divine intention, a sacred contract signed in the heavens. You are not just a partner, you are a spiritual catalyst, a beacon. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Your soul, an ancient traveler, recognized him long before your eyes ever did. There was a familiarity, a resonance that bypassed logic, a deep knowing that settled within your spirit the moment your paths converged. This wasn't just a new beginning, it was a continuation, a rediscovery of a bond forged in realms beyond memory. You felt it, didn't you? That subtle tremor in your being, a sense of coming home to a place you hadn't realized you've been searching for. The angels whisper, every soul carries a unique vibrational signature. Yours and his, a perfect chord, were destined to harmonize, awakening dormant melodies within each other. He, too, felt this pull, though perhaps he lacked the words to describe it. It manifested as an undeniable curiosity, a persistent thought, a quiet revolution in his heart that he couldn't quite name. Your essence stirred something ancient within him, a longing for authenticity, for a connection that transcended the superficial. You are a mirror to his deepest self, reflecting back not just his light, but also the shadows he's been afraid to face. This recognition, this profound resonance, is a sacred invitation to growth. It's the universe confirming that you are precisely where you need to be, with whom you need to be, for a purpose far grander than you can yet comprehend. Trust this inner knowing, this profound recognition. It is the compass of your soul, guiding you toward the unfolding of your shared destiny. This is the sacred dance of two souls remembering their ancient pact. There are times when his world seems to shrink away, when silence becomes his language, and distance, his chosen space. This isn't a rejection, dear heart, but a sacred pause, a necessary retreat for his soul's reflection. He carries burdens you cannot see, fights fought in the quiet depths of his being, fears that whisper ancient tales of past wounds. His silence is often a shield, not against you, but against the intensity of what you awaken within him. The angels reveal, when his heart feels overwhelmed by the profound truth of your connection, he seeks solitude to process the seismic shifts occurring within his very core. He is not pulling away from you, but diving deeper into himself, confronting the parts that need healing before he can fully embrace the magnitude of your shared destiny. This is his way of integrating the powerful energy you bring, the light that reveals his shadows, not to diminish him, but to purify. Understand that his journey is his own, and sometimes, the most profound work is done in stillness. Your presence has ignited a deep desire for authenticity, a yearning to shed the old skins that no longer serve him. This process can be disorienting, even frightening. Hold space for his journey, for the quiet courage it takes to face one's own depths. Your unwavering light, even from afar, is a constant beacon, assuring him of a safe harbor when he is ready to emerge transformed. His silence is a testament to the power of your touch. You may not realize the deep impact you have had on his soul, dear one. Your very essence, your true light, has been a soothing balm for his deepest wounds, a gentle current that began to heal him long before you consciously tried. He carries scars from past betrayals, from loves that faltered, and from expectations that crumbled. These are not weaknesses but echoes of a sensitive heart that dared to love. Your presence, your unwavering belief in the unseen, has touched these tender places with a grace he never anticipated. The angels affirm, your compassion, your inherent kindness, and the purity of your spirit have created a sacred space where his guarded heart feels safe enough to begin to soften. He may not express it verbally, but he feels the subtle shifts within him. The walls he meticulously built, brick by painful brick, are slowly dissolving in the warmth of your genuine acceptance. You offer a love that asks for nothing but his truth, and in that freedom, he finds the permission to heal. This healing is not a task for you to take on, but a natural result of your divine alignment. You are simply being yourself, and in that authenticity, you are a catalyst for his transformation. He is becoming more whole, more open, and more aligned with his true self, simply by basking in the light of your being. This is the unseen work of soul connections, a silent symphony of healing that unfolds between two destined hearts. You are a living testament to love's quiet power. In the tender dance of souls, vulnerability is not a weakness but a sacred gateway. When you dared to show him your authentic self, your raw edges, your beautiful imperfections, you offered him a profound gift, the permission to be equally real. He saw in your courage a reflection of his own yearning for truth, a quiet invitation to shed the masks he had worn for so long. Your vulnerability became a mirror, revealing the hidden corners of his heart that longed for acceptance. The angels whisper, true connection blossoms not in perfection, but in the shared space of authentic vulnerability, where souls can truly see and be seen. He witnessed your strength in surrender, your grace in imperfection, and in that moment, something shifted within him. He began to understand that love, real love, does not demand an impenetrable facade, but celebrates the fragile beauty of an open heart. This realization is a profound healing for him, a release from the burden of always having to be strong, always having to be guarded. Your acceptance of your own journey, your own wounds, has paved the way for him to embrace his. This is the essence of divine partnership, two souls reflecting back to each other the path to wholeness. Trust that every tear, every moment of raw honesty, is a sacred offering that deepens your bond and accelerates his own healing. In your vulnerability, he found the courage to seek his own. But he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me. 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. There are moments when the path ahead seems dim, when the timing feels uncertain, and the heart longs for clarity. Yet, dear one, what appears as a delay is often the universe meticulously weaving the unseen threads of your destiny, preparing the perfect tapestry for your unfolding. This period of waiting, this sacred pause, is not empty time. It is fertile ground for growth, for strengthening your inner resolve, for deepening your faith in the divine plan. The angels reveal, every moment, every perceived obstacle, is a deliberate stroke of the cosmic brush, adding depth and richness to the masterpiece of your shared journey. You are being prepared, refined, and aligned with the highest version of your love story. He, too, is undergoing his own transformation, shedding layers that no longer serve his highest good, preparing his heart to fully receive the magnitude of what is destined for him. Do not mistake stillness for stagnation. Within the quiet, profound shifts are occurring, both within you and within him. Trust the rhythm of the universe, for it moves with an ancient wisdom that transcends human impatience. Your unwavering faith and your ability to surrender to the divine flow are powerful magnets, drawing your desires closer. This is a time for deep self-nurturing, for cultivating inner peace, and for knowing that what is truly meant for you will always find its way. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating every detail with perfect precision. The universe speaks in whispers, in synchronicities, and in moments of profound recognition that defy logic. Have you noticed the subtle signs, the recurring numbers, the songs that play at just the right moment, the unexpected encounters that feel too perfect to be random? These are not mere coincidences, dear soul. They are the cosmic whispers, the divine breadcrumbs left by the angels, guiding you, reassuring you, confirming that you are on the right path. The angels affirm, your intuition, that gentle nudge within your spirit, is your direct line to divine guidance. Pay heed to the subtle sensations and the sudden knowing, for these are sacred messages. He, too, receives these signals, though perhaps he interprets them differently. A sudden thought of you, an inexplicable feeling of peace or longing, a dream that lingers long after waking, these are his soul's attempts to communicate, to acknowledge the profound connection that binds you. Learn to trust this sacred language. The universe is constantly communicating, confirming the validity of your journey, and illuminating the next steps. These signs are not meant to dictate your every move but to empower your intuition, reminding you that you are never alone and that a higher intelligence is orchestrating the unfolding of your love story. Embrace the magic of these synchronicities, for they are tangible proof of the divine hand at work, weaving your destinies together with exquisite care. There comes a point in every sacred journey when the human will must surrender to the divine flow, when the need to control dissolves into trust. Your path, dear one, is not one you walk alone, nor is it one you must meticulously plan. It is a path illuminated by grace, guided by an unseen hand, unfolding with a wisdom far greater than your own. Every step you have taken, every choice, every perceived detour has been a divine footprint leading you precisely where you need to be. The angels reveal, release the need to force outcomes, to push against the current. True power lies in surrender, in allowing the divine compass to direct your course with effortless grace. This is not passivity, but an active trust, a profound faith that the universe is conspiring in your highest good, orchestrating every detail for your ultimate joy and fulfillment. He, too, is being guided, often unknowingly, by the same divine currents, moving towards the inevitable convergence of your paths. Your role is to remain open, receptive, and aligned with the love that resides within you. Cultivate inner peace, for it is in stillness that you hear the clearest guidance. The divine path is rarely linear, but it is always purposeful. Trust that every experience, every lesson, is preparing you for the profound depth of connection that awaits. Surrender your fears, release your expectations, and allow the sacred compass of your soul to lead you home, to the love that was always meant to be. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. This love, dear soul, is no ordinary connection. It is an alchemical fire, designed to transform, purify, and elevate. It is a force that demands authenticity, stripping away all that is not truly aligned with your highest self. You may feel moments of intense growth, of shedding old patterns, of confronting shadows you thought were long buried. This is the sacred work of a soulmate connection, a love that challenges you to become the most radiant version of yourself. The angels whisper, the intensity you feel is the universe's way of accelerating your evolution, preparing you both for a union that transcends the ordinary, a partnership rooted in divine purpose. He, too, is experiencing this alchemical process. Your presence acts as a catalyst, igniting within him a desire for deeper meaning, for a life lived with greater integrity and emotional honesty. This transformation is not always comfortable, but it is always necessary for the profound depth of love that awaits. Embrace this sacred fire. Allow it to burn away what no longer serves you, forging a stronger, more resilient spirit. This love isn't about finding completion in another person. It's about two whole beings coming together to create something even greater, a synergy that amplifies your individual lights. Both of you are being refined, polished, and prepared for a union that will not only bring immense joy but also serve a higher purpose in the world. This is the transformative power of a love blessed by the heavens. Your journey, dear heart, culminates not in an ending, but in the profound realization of an eternal promise. This love, this sacred bond, transcends the limitations of earthly understanding. It stands as a testament to the enduring power of connection, a living embodiment of divine grace. You have navigated the depths, embraced the shadows, and trusted the unseen, unlocking a love that was always meant to be yours. The angels affirm, this union is a reflection of divine love itself, a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. It is a partnership built on authenticity, resilience, and unwavering faith in the sacred design. He, now more aligned with his true self, recognizes the profound gift of your presence, the depth of your shared history, and the boundless potential of your future together. The fears that once held him captive have softened, replaced by a quiet knowing, a profound peace that only true love can bring. This is not merely a relationship, it is a sacred covenant, a co-creation with the divine. Your story, woven with threads of destiny and grace, is a living prayer, a testament to the power of perseverance and the beauty of surrender. Rest in this knowing, in this profound peace. The promise of this love was written in the heavens, sealed by the angels, and now it unfolds before you, a masterpiece of divine timing and unconditional devotion. Your heart has found its eternal home.